Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a search on the Mercari app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and save a search on the Mercari app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Maybe you search for the same thing over and over. So in order to do this, what you first want to do is log on to the Mercari app. Now, in the upper hand corner, click on the search bar and let's actually search for something. So we're going to type in Pokemon cards here. Now, once you search for it, you're going to see a toggle button that says save this search. So toggle that on, and then there you have it. You've now gone ahead and saved that search. Now, in order to find your saved searches, all you need to do is click on profile in the bottom right hand corner and click on save searches, and you'll see your saved searches here. Additionally, there's also a tab that if you click on save searches on the top hand side and then click on the save search, same thing, you'll be accessing this page here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and save your searches on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.